Hi, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about number lines. And so number lines are a tool that help us when we're adding or subtracting digits together or numbers together. So this is what a number line is like. And we'll do some activities with this. So I'll just put this on my document camera. Make this a little bit bigger. All right. So here's a number line. And when we add two numbers together, so when we put them together to find the total amount, we go in this direction. So we move our fingers in this direction, and that's adding. Okay. When we subtract or take away, we go this way. Okay, so subtraction is that way. Okay, the numbers, they get bigger going this direction. You can see we start at 0 and we're counting by ones up to 20. And this arrow here indicates that it can go on forever. Okay, and it can also go in this direction forever because there's negative numbers also. All right, so I'm going to use some dice today, and we're going to shake the dice to find out our numbers. I'm just going to change that to a 6. So we have a 5 and a 6. So we always want to start with the biggest number because that's easier. Because if we had really big numbers like 80, we're not going to count through 80. We're just going to count on from 80. So let's start with the 6 is bigger number than 5, bigger amount. So then we're going to write our number sentence. So 6 plus 5 equals, so we're going to put our finger on number 6 here. And then we're going to jump this direction 5. So we start counting when we move our finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what number did we land on? 11. 1 and a 1. So we can also go like this, draw a dot on there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we landed on 11. Okay. Now we can erase that, and we can shake again. Oh, and we have a 3 and a 6. So which one is more? 6 is more than 3. So we're going to start with that first. And we'll start with 6. And then we're going to jump 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And we land on the number 9. Okay. Let's shake our die again. We have 1 and 3. So which number is bigger? 3 plus 1 equals, so we'll erase that. Start on 3, and then we're going to jump only 1, 1, and we get to 4. Okay. Oh, we have 2, and they're equal amounts. So we would write our number sentence 2 plus 2. We'll start with 2, and we're going to jump 2 to the right. 1, 2, and we land on the number 4. And this time we got 3 and 5. So which one is bigger, 5 or 3? 5 is the biggest one, so we're going to start there, and we're going to jump 3. 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. Ooh, 6 and 3 this time. Which number is bigger? 6. And we're going to jump 1, 2, 3, and we land on 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. So that's how we add on a number line. So you might want to try this with some dice or even some playing cards. You can turn them over, and you can also do it on a hundreds chart. So I'll show that to you another time. Have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.